Hello and welcome to this quick project where I'll be 3D printing a case for the Tevo Tarantula. All the wires on the Tevo Tarantula is a huge mess, and therefore I want to enclose everything into a small box. I modeled the case in Fusion 360 and printed it on my Anycubic i3 Mega. It would have been easier just to download the model from Thingiverse, but I wasn't able to find any enclosure that could house both the power supply and all the control boards. Here you see all the components. Time to disassemble the Tevo Tarantula and fit everything inside the box. I spent what felt like an eternity extending all the cables. And now I have to jam all these cables inside the box. And as you can see, somehow it worked. You're able to access all the functionality through the knob, and you can even plug in the SD card from the side. The case is pretty nice, but it has a few flaws, which is to be expected when it's like version 1. I'm not going to upload the files to Thingiverse because there are simply too many flaws. But thank you very much for watching.